I request all, also the Honorable Speaker and the Minister to accompany him.
Umiti ba kajala Meghalaya Konrad ke sangmau lapan bana basien on kyntiew kyrdan no ya Mairang subdivision saka district nomor kajinon kam kirki ki pai ba ha kati kathai. Umiti ba lapan bana ya katai habakren ha jelang pli ya dorbar hall kamadan hilekai ka surak peludi bat ya ka VIP gallery ha kasinong manai ha Mairang ha kajinon lang ulampang ki yingdor ba thawain kajala ba met ba lingdo umintri katanat water resources ba H brolding nong si umintri katanat PhD ba Nikton lingdo lembat kiwe.
I'm very, very pleased and happy to announce that Mairang will be a district. We will have a district in Mairang, is what I would like to tell you. And I'm not saying this to make anybody happy. Or I'm not saying it because Babrol will be upset. It's not. There is a logic behind it. There is a need for it. There's a clear structural and administrative challenge that West Khasi Hills faces. I used to tell our Honorable Speaker that these are the 2-3 districts where we as a government need to focus more on. It's not that other districts are not important. All are important. East kyntiew Hills also faces a lot of challenges. And therefore there is a plan for that district also, and we're doing many things. But West Khasi Hills needs a structural change. I'm also happy to inform you that I've put up a high-level committee that is headed by the Chief Secretary. And he has already started working on the overall official procedure on how we will move forward with the creation of the district.
Hapapan pau ya kajing ai kublai yo menteri rang ba balapai khmat banyarap banyo ya kamang tengka bansnai kamanan ilakai ba med ba ula banjur halo kajinon kam kirki ban kyntiew kyrdan no Mairang subdivision saka district hakaju upor lampang badairu president ka UDP ula pentikna ban penskam ya kajite log ha ka sarkar senrop jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance.
I was very fortunate, and I am fortunate till today, that we got an opportunity to serve the state together with our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Konrad K. Sangma. And we are enjoying serving the state till today, and we will continue in the days and years to come. Enough is enough. There will be ups and downs. There will be problems and issues which will come before us. But we have to solve together. We have to ensure that we don't allow these problems and issues which comes before us to win over us. But we have to come together to be a solution of these problems. I have discussed on many occasions for about 3 years now. And also, along with Babrol, who is the local MLA from Mouth Arisha, they need to upgrade the Mairang civil solution to a district level. It is one of the oldest civil solution in the state. The purpose and the reasons of discussion that we had is to bring the administration closer to the people. There are many instances that we have seen in the past. For creation of districts, it is for political mileage. But for me, I consider it as an opportunity to bring the administration closer to the people. People from Khasi Hills, from Mairang, from the very remote places has to go all the way to Nongstoin. Sometimes they have to spend for a day or two and so on. But having the district headquarters almost at the doorstep, that will make the people a little comfortable or easier to get all the things done.